Okay, you know the deal by now. I pull out the bag of parts and instead I'm building a Canary. We cut the time lapse and you realise I don't mean the bird. I mean the thing in the thumbnail. What were you expecting? It's in the thumbnail. And here we have the Canary, which, as you can see, is an absolute chonker of a mining mech. So let's just so drill back for a second. Get the pilot situated, and yeah. And the Canary, as you can see, it kind of does look like it's wearing a diaper, I will admit, just as a result of wanting something on there to lower the centre of mass and centre of gravity a bit when it's drilling, because, you know, I mean, it's hauling around a fairly sizable drill mechanism. This is another one where I basically figured that, yeah, this should be possible to build a thing that does this. I had one of the feet on halfway backwards, so let's quickly fix that. Down there, sir, thank you. And yeah, so articulation for this one, you got ball joints at the hips, click hinges at the knees, and the flap sleeves to the feet, so they got articulation there. There's a little bit of wiggle in the cockpit, but that isn't really usable. It isn't really useful for anything. The drill arm can kind of fold back. It's on this armature here, so it can kind of double swivel to get out of the way of stuff and get in position for doing some drilling. The drill itself, of course, spins both at the top and at the bottom, just as a side effect of how it's built. So, the Canary then, shot off alongside the previous build, the Blackburn. And this is another one where it's two things that could not really be any more different. You got like a very spread out jet, well, a very spread out aircraft, and the very definitely not spread out this boy. And this is basically a brick, articulated brick, but a brick all the same. I mean, Titan Exoplanetary developed the Canary primarily for less for mining and more for quarrying, but Canary tested better as a name, so you know, you kind of gotta go with what the audience wants. And it does see some underground use, just, you know, only in fairly expansive caves on the grounds that you need quite a bit of open space to get it in there. And even then, it isn't always worth it to bring in, so it's better at surface mining. Anyway, it's much for the same reason that you don't see real-world excavators inside mine shafts. Anyway, I'll see you next week for possibly still my outright favourite vehicle. You're gonna love that one. Stay tuned.